Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so we doing a food haul, okay, for Dollar Tree. Honey, it's so hot out here, I'm out of breath. I know what those darn chickens be going through when they hit that grease, okay? Because I put on some grapeseed oil on my skin. That's what I normally use. I don't use lotion. And I'm sweating like nobody damn business. Okay, now today we are doing a budget. Okay, I'm gonna get a few things for the house, and this is just to hold us until the first. So one of the things that I noticed, let me tell you something, wherever you are on your journey, don't be ashamed. Okay, tell your story. Tell your story, because this is your story and it matters, okay? And so going to Whole Foods, I think this will really put us over. You're welcome. Will really put us over budget. Going to Whole Foods, which I'm still gonna go to Whole Foods, but it's okay, it's all right. But the key idea is for me to go to a supermarket where it's though they sold bulk. Because that's just better for me and my family. Okay, so first up, we are going to get some envelopes because we are doing cash stuffing. All right, we are stuffing the envelopes with cash. So let's see what they and our budget, my budget today is like $23, $24. Okay. Yeah, I don't even see. Oh, okay, first up also, we are going to get this. Oh, it's okay. It's all right, honey. You want to follow me? You want to follow me? I'm a vlogger. Okay. Say hello to the people. Happy birthday, honey. What's your name, beautiful? Dina.
Hi, Dina.
How you doing?
What's your
is Dina. Well, I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok.
Okay. Dina's helping me celebrate my birthday, guys. Thank you. Okay, YouTube. What is that?
Dina Bryant, D-E-E, another E, N-A, Bryant, B-R-Y. Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, thank you.
It's nice me. I'm sweaty.
Thank you, beautiful.
Have a nice birthday. Celebrate, honey. Okay. All right. Let's see. So I guess they had moved they supplies because I cannot find the darn envelope. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Okay, so here we have our envelopes. Okay. I think I'm gonna do the smaller ones because I think the smaller ones are better just until we order some envelopes. Let me tell you something. The goal is not, you could be fancy if you want, okay? But my goal is to have the money inside the envelope as opposed to having fancy envelopes, okay? So if I'm doing dollar envelopes, okay? And next, I see these. Okay, this is nice, but I don't need it. Okay, I'm just gonna write on these envelopes for our cash stuffing. Okay, let's see what else they have. Next up, we are going to the food aisle, and we are getting some raviolis just until next week. So I said we're gonna do 12 of these. 12 raviolis. Ooh, look like they don't have no raviolis. Okay, but since they don't have that, we could go with the spaghetti chicken meatball. Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. Okay, so yesterday while I was at the Dollar Tree, I was recording the things that I had got, like the ramen. I did tell you guys I was going, well, I think in that video it even got cut off, that part, right? So yesterday I had got 3 things of ramen, and then I had got some SpaghettiOs. And the crazy thing about the SpaghettiOs is this. So I was picking up, okay, and I meant to get the chicken meatball SpaghettiOs, but honey, when I got home, I realized I had got the Frank's Red Hot SpaghettiOs, and who's gonna eat those? Okay, because they hot, and maybe I eat a can or two. I don't know. But I had these last night. Well, not those. The meatballs last night, and I just was like, I just wasn't feeling it. The taste of from the can, whatever. But you do what you gotta do, okay? So I apologize for that part that was being cut out. I do what I was recording, but my camera, it was off, honey. It was off, okay? It happens to the best of us. Okay, family, so we're gonna do 5 waters, okay? So that put our budget right now, we're looking at 18. So we probably go up to 24, 25, over budget a little. But that's okay, like $2 or $3 over, that's okay. Okay. Family, so our total was 27. Let me see. 27.62. Okay. So we did went over budget a little, but that is okay for us to be first starting out. The whole key is to start from somewhere, and if you go a few dollars over, that's okay. All right, so make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what is some of the things that you normally buy when you come to Dollar Tree, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.